Welcome. In this video I will show you how to bind media controls on the Logitech G512 X keyboard. So to control your media using keys, you're gonna have to open the G Hub application, having your keyboard connected to your computer. Then you're gonna have to select your keyboard right here and go to the Assignments tab on the sidebar. Once you have selected it, choose which keys you want to use for media control. For example, we can use N1, 2, 3 with modifiers. Let's select 1, Remap. Then in modifier, let's select Alt. Then in assignment, we're gonna have to select System, and then let it be Previous Track. So as you can see, we have the media category here with all the media controls. Okay, so previous track, then 2 will be pause, 2, modifier Alt, not actions, but system, play pause, confirm, and 3 will be skip to the following track. Remap, assignment, system, next track, and modifier Alt, of course. Okay, so now Alt1 will launch previous track, Alt2 will play or pause this track, and Alt3 will skip to the next track. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.